Distinguished guests and friends, I feel much honored to stand here, the Central Old Lecture Hall, immersed in the spirit of Stanford University. I'm Ying, the Vice Chairman of Literary and Art Confederation of Qinhuai District. On behalf of Nanjing Qinhuai, I'd like to extend my most sincere gratitude to all the guests. Thank Director Master and all members of Media X for their hard work for this forum, and the distinguished guests for their wonderful keynote speeches. It is the common vision of all people to construct smart cities and create a better life. You have obtained remarkable application achievements through deep-going exploration in your professional fields. This is not only the collision of thinking at academic layer, but even it provides precious knowledge accumulation and experience for reference for the urban area development of Nanjing Qinhuai. Thank you again for your sharing and suggestions. The guests here may have noticed the exhibition shelves we've arranged around the venue, and they actually tell the other side of Qinhuai. In fact, Nanjing Qinhuai is an urban area driven by both intellectual wisdom and intelligent manufacturing, which promote each other, and its accumulated strength is just derived from its own natural, humanistic, and historic background. Having a large number of historic and cultural monuments, like the Qinhuai River, Ming Dynasty City Wall, the Grand Bao'en Temple, Confucius Temple, and so on. Nanjing Qinhuai has always, from the ancient to the present, been a place endowed with the fine spirit of the universe, gathering talents and merchants with its unique culture and style, and suitable for tourism and living. At present, a Nanjing Cultural Carnival is being held at the San Francisco Union Square. We have chosen the most representative historic and cultural symbols of Nanjing, namely the Ming Dynasty City Wall and the Qinhuai River, and conducted the modern deconstruction to them, adopted the form of outdoor exhibition with a full sense of science and technology, integrated the exhibition and interaction of modified intangible cultural heritage arts like Qinhuai Lantern and the Qinhuai opera performance and so on, making local citizens personally feel the unique charms of the traditional and contemporary combination of Nanjing Qinhuai. The exhibition will last until tomorrow. Welcome to the scene for visiting and experience. Friends from all circles are expected to learn more about the most Nanjing and the most cultural Qinhuai through the above activities. And welcome to Qinhuai for tourism, resources sharing, and thinking common development. May the serious activities of 2019 Nanjing Week in Silicon Valley a great success. May the whole staff of Media X a good health and happy family. Thank you.